We need volunteers. You need a Chipko movement. Chipko with a lady, protect ladies, because we are passing and likely, rather moving into a very bad phase. The falling gender ratios, the worst has not come. Worst has not come. It is yet to come. So it's better we wake up and take it up in the right spirit. It is not a matter of establishing departments, getting some grants, holding some workshops, getting some certificates, some API scores, getting a promotion. जो औरत घर में परेशान है वो परेशान ही रहेगी unless until we change our attitude. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, sir. And of course, you are right that patriarchy is it's not an exclusive zone of males alone, but also it has become a habit of mind, both male and female both carry sometimes, so both have to say goodbye to it. Now it's a time to express our gratitude to our guest who joined today on this inaugural ceremony. As a token of our regard and gratitude, I request our volunteers. Yeah, yes, they're coming, sir. Vice Chancellor. So I request our volunteers to come here on this stage, and I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to felicitate our chief guest with a token of memento from us.
Big hand, please.
Thank you very much. Now the time to go. So again, it's the wrong one. So this is yours.
So now there should be a huge
A huge round of applause, please. I also, Dr. Amrinder Pani sir. I also request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to felicitate Dr. Amrinder Pani sir, the representative from association. Now I request the convener of this program, Professor Shahida Murtaza, to felicitate our Honorable Vice Chancellor with a memento. So, thanks a lot. It's now a time to pay our vote of thanks to all those people who joined us today for this program, our dignitaries, our participants, representatives, university colleagues, and students. I request Dr. Parveen Kamar to come on the podium and pay vote of thanks.